Friends, Colorado School Halol presenting this video for standard 9th subject SS English medium. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the topic climate. First of all, the question will arise in our mind, what is the meaning of climate? Climate, that is related with the word atmosphere, but there is a difference between climate and atmosphere. Climate is an average of a atmospheric condition over a long period. What is climate? Climate is an average of the atmosphere. Okay, whatever the condition for the climate, long time period condition, that is considered as a climate. Generally, climate is determined from the average weather condition of summer, winter and rainy season of the place for about 35 years or more. Generally, climate is described as the weather condition that we all know. There are three seasons, the three mainly season in India, that is considered as a summer season, a winter season and rainy season, that is took place from the 35 years or more. In short, climate is an average of a long-term atmospheric condition. Climate is considered as a average as a long-term atmospheric condition. Whatever the term related with the long time period, that is considered as a climate, that we can say. Weather is an average of a short term of condition. There is a difference between climate and weather. Weather is an average of short term condition, and climate is a climate is a long term condition, long atmospheric condition, that is called climate, and weather is an average condition or average short condition of the atmosphere. Weather can change at any time during the day. During the daytime, sometimes you feel cold during the morning time. After that, in the afternoon time, you can feel hot. Okay, and at night time you can feel again into the cold. So that is called, we can say that weather can change anytime. Change in weather condition depends on the air temperature, air pressure, humidity, rain or among of the clouds, etc. This is the most important point for the 1 marks answer. What is the climate condition is depend on the change of the weather condition was depend on the change of the weather condition were depend on the air temperature, air pressure, humidity, rain, fog or the amount of the clouds. Okay, that point you have to keep in your mind while you learning this lesson. Weather affects our daily agriculture activities. So this is also one of the important point, that it is depend on the agriculture activity. Agriculture activity means activity that is related with the agriculture crop, that is called agricultural activity in India. India is considered as an agricultural country, so most of the people are dependent on the agriculture. So it is most important for the climatic condition to have the based on the climatic of the agriculture activity. Indian Meteorological Department. Okay, Indian Meteorological Department published a daily weather map and a report on the entire nation. You see in the news that every time you can see that after half an hour every news channel show the atmospheric condition or the weatheric condition on your news channel. So you can say that publication were made by the meteorological department. Okay, so that is called the meteorological department. We can say that the meteorological department published the daily weather, okay, related to the atmospheric condition. India shows a large diversity characteristic in the climatic condition. If we are talk about the climatic condition, there were a large diversity or large varieties in the climatic condition. Season change in some part of the earth according to the wind direction. According to the wind direction, the season can be changed. So the winds which change from the direction according to the season, that is called monsoon wind. This question is very important for the exam, friends. You have to keep in your mind while you're reading this, what is called the monsoon wind. So this is the definition: the winds which change their direction according to the season, that is called monsoon wind. The winds are so named after the Arabic name. The monsoon wind this name came after the word Arabic, that is the meaning of the museum, that is called museum. Museum is an Arabic word, it is not an English word, it is an Arabic word. So from that the word museum, the word monsoon came out. India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Myanmar, Assam, all the countries which experience monsoon climate. So this is the introduction part about the climate. Now another point we have to study about, that is a seasonal changes. How season become the change during the entire year, how it will be a change, that is the reason behind that. Rotation and revolution, that we all know. So rotation of the earth around the sun, earth is moving around the sun, that is called rotation of the earth, and her axis tiles a major reasons for the changes of season. Whatever the changes are according to the season, that does depend on the revolutions of the earth that is moving around the sun. The axis of the earth is titled, this major you have to keep in your mind, the earth, the axis of the earth of the title, that is 23.5 and makes the angle of the 66.5 with the orbit. Okay, seasons are caused due to the axial tilt. Seasons are caused, why it is caused? Just because of the axial tilt. Regions receiving more sunlight experience summer, while regions are more feeling more experience in summer, more heat in the summer, just because of the moon, the earth is exactly in front of the sun at that time. Whatever the regions were there ahead of the sun, at that particular region receiving more heat. So at the area it is receiving more heat, just because of that the summer season were felt out. On while region receiving less sunlight, wherever the region that were receiving the sunlight lessly, that experience winter, at that they experienced winter season. Sun rays fall vertically over the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, this is a very important point, friends. So remember this, the sun rays fall vertically over the Tropic of Cancer on 22nd December. So the southern hemisphere experience summer and the northern hemisphere experience winter. Okay, 22nd December, southern hemisphere experience which season? Summer season. And northern hemisphere experience which season? Winter season. Nights in India are longer in a colder in winter. Similarly, the sun rays are vertically over the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, on which date? 21st June. So days are longer. So this is the reason behind the season occur. You can see in this picture about the sun. This is the sun. Okay, and the earth is more around this is the equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, everything is there. On 21st June, whatever the conditions of the earth, it is shown in this picture, and whatever the condition of the earth on the 22nd December, this is the picture. So we can say that, see here on this, the earth is moving around the sun on its axis. Okay, this is its axis. So you can see that on the 21st June, the Tropic of Cancer is in this direction, and on the 22nd December the Tropic of Cancer is in this direction. So the sun rays was fall 22nd December on Tropic of Capricorn directly, so that area felt more heat. Okay, and on the 21st June the sun rays directly fall on the Tropic of Cancer, so at the 90 degree, so that is called that particular area receiving more heat. So this is the logic behind the season changes. Okay. And one more important thing, this figure you can see on your screen, that figure you have to draw in your notebook also. So I will check while checking the lesson, that I will check also that you must have to draw this figure in your notebook while you writing the PDF file. Okay, so you have a textbook, that from textbook you can draw this picture with the pencil, with the use of pencil only, no need to fill the color in that. rotation and revolution of the earth have a direct impact on the food. Okay, on which things it is impacting? Rotation and revolution, food, clothing, residence of the man. Whatever the man belongs with the nature, everything were affected by the rotation and revolution. In monsoonal country like India, India is considered as a monsoonal country. So the winter, summer, monsoon winds which change direction according to the season affected the seasonal weather and give the peculiar characteristic to weather of every season. This is why climate is called monsoon climate. Why climate is considered as a monsoonal climate? This is the reason behind that. So you have to underline this word, you have to underline this line and make it important for the exam. From this line, in exam, the 1 mark or 2 mark question will become. Okay, so that you have to keep in your mind. Variations in the climate of India. So now new point of discussion is about the variations in the climate of India. There are many variations in the climate of India. We can see South India has a peninsular shape, hence its experience a moderate maritime climate, while the climate become more conditional with going away from the seashore. When we are going far from the seashore, from that we feel more hot compared to nearby the sea coast. This is the simple logic. A large part of the North India is away from the sea coast. Many of the northern Indian part were very far away from the sea coast. So at their experience conditional climate. Why it is conditional climate is there at the North India? Because they were far away from the sea coast. Okay, simple. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost through the middle of India. Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. Okay, this question will also ask from where the Tropic of Cancer pass to the India, from the middle. Area to the south into or south of it falls torrid zone, while the area of the north is into the temperate zone. South area is fall into which zone? Torrid zone, and north area is into the temperate zone. As a result, there is a large difference in the temperature and a rainfall in different parts of the country. Sometimes we felt that why there is a more rain in some area and there is a less rainfall into some area. This is the reason behind that atmospheric condition whatever affected onto the different regions of the country. Example, the temperature in Leh and Dar's temperature in north. Where is this place? Leh and Dar? It is into the north in Kashmir. Okay, so it is low minus 45 degree during the winter. If you went to the Kashmir at the place Leh, there was a temperature minus 45 degree in a winter. So Sri Ganganagar, Alwar in Rajasthan. Sri Ganganagar, that is a district about the Rajasthan. Alwar is a place during the summer season in Rajasthan. This place felt 51 degree high temperature during the summer season. So somewhere it is felt in minus degree, at some place it is felt as a more than 51 degrees Celsius. So this is the difference between the different regions of the India were felt the different types of the atmospheric or weatheric condition. Similarly, the Cherrapunji in Meghalaya in East India gets about 1200 centimeter rainfall annually. Annually means a yearly, that is called annually. Annually, Meghalaya receive 1200 centimeter rainfall, which is the maximum in the world. Maximum in the world. This is not talking about the India. This is the talking about entire world. Masviran about the 16 kilometer from the Cherrapunji. This place Masviran was 16 kilometer from the Cherrapunji, is a famous for the receiving maximum rainfall during the 24 hours. In this place, rainfall were occurred 24 hours In the west, the desert of Rajasthan receive only 10 to 12 centimeters rainfall annually. Into the desert area like Rajasthan, that receive the rainfall only 10 or 12 centimeter annually they are talking about. So this is the difference between the rainy season. Contradiction climate conditions are seen in our country. Contradictions means alag alag. Okay, so various we can say contradiction climatic condition we can see in our country. One region has diverging flood. Somewhere it was a flood. Flood means that you know, flood means baad aa jati hai, that is called flood. Okay, so some areas they were receiving flood, whereas the other area drought. Okay, so instead of the heat and scanty of absence of rainfall, some regions are devastating effect of the thunderstorm, sandstorm, and the tropical cyclone. The seasonal weather has a diversified effect. So this is very important topic. Okay, in our new topic, that is about the factor affecting the climate. Which are the factor that is caused to affect about the climate? There are some factor on the earth of the surface which is control the distribution amount of the element of the climate. Some factors are there on the surface of the earth which are control the distribution, okay, amount the element of the climate. This is called the climatic factor. What is called climatic factor? Some factor on the surface of the earth which control the distribution amount of the element of the climate, that is called climatic factors. Following factor affect the climate of India. Which are the factor that is affected on the climate of India? This question will come in the exam for 3 or 4 marks. So this is very important question for the exam. Okay, so first factor is about latitude. Climatic types on the surface of the earth changes according to the latitude of the place concerned. Okay, whatever the latitude place is concerned with climatic type of the surface, that changes are affected on that. There are a distance in about 111 kilometer between the two successive latitude. Okay, what is the difference? What is the distance about the two between the two latitude? 111 kilometers. Sun rays fall vertically over the equator region, hence it is very hot throughout the year. Into the equatorial region you can felt very hot throughout the year. India is divided into two zones, okay, that are just because of the climatic condition, torrid zone and temperate zone. Which two zones are there? First number is torrid zone and another number is temperate zone. This question will ask in the exam. India was divided into how many zones and which they are? India is divided into two zones, torrid zone and temperate zone. So you have to remember that. Distance from the sea. Second point of the effect is distance from the sea. The distance of the land mass from the sea, whatever the distance is there from the sea to the land, is another important factor affecting to the climate. Water and land have a different capacity. See, listen it very carefully. Water and land have a different capacity to conserve and release the solar heat. Okay, whatever the solar heat is there, that is affected directly on the water, that is directly affected on the land. They both have a different capacity to consuming the heat from the sun. So that is the matter of the capacity to receiving the or consuming the solar heat. As a result, coastal region experience temperate climate, while the climate becomes the continental into the interior place away from the sea coast. The climate of the Mumbai in India is temperate, as the near sea coast. Mumbai city is nearby the sea coast. That's why from nearby that the temperature is called temperate on coast, while it is the conditional at the Nagpur or Delhi, because it is far away from the sea coast. So this is the matter about the distance of the land from the sea that is affected on that. Next is about the altitude. As we go higher up the temperature from the sea level, when we are going ahead or higher at the atmospheric level, air pressure and temperature decrease. Air pressure and temperature decrease. Decrease means kam hona. Okay, it is become less. While higher relief gets more rain. When higher relief gets more rain, whatever the area are related with the higher relief, that get the more rainfall. During the high altitude, the Himalayan peaks remain snow. So just because of that Himalayan peaks, we know that onto the Himalayan mountain, the entire year covered with the snow, covered throughout the year. Moist air cool down when it rises given rain. When the increasing altitude into the mountain in Meghalaya, the rainfall increased. In general, air temperature decreased at the rate 1 degree Celsius for the ascent of the 165 meter, or by 6.5 Celsius for the ascent of every 1000 meter from the surface of the earth. This is the figure that you have to keep in your mind while you write about the altitude. Okay, this is the point about the altitude. Now next point is about the atmospheric pressure and wind. What is the atmospheric pressure and about the wind affected on that climatic condition, that is given here. So let's study about this. India follows the path of the northeast trade winds. These winds originate due to the tropical high pressure belt and the northern hemisphere. So this is affected on which area? On the northern hemisphere. These winds deflect due to the Coriolis forces and blow towards the equator. In the past, if we are talk about the past time, olden time, these winds are utilized for the oceanic trade. This wind, because into the olden time there were no technologically perfect machinery, or the steamers or the boat or the submarines were not there into the olden time. So whatever the sea trade or oceanic trade were depend, that is always depend on the wind of the direction. So that is called the matter of the oceanic trade, sorry. So these are called a trade wind. Just because of that, these winds are considered as a trade wind from the ancient time only. As these winds blow over the landmass, they contain less moisture. Just because of the land, they blow out throughout the landmass. Just why they have a very less moisture. The Indian Ocean is located to the south of India. Arabian Sea lies into the west and Bay of Bengal into the east. If you see the map of India, you can find out the oceans that is located at the south of India. Arabian Sea into the west of India and Bay of Bengal into the east of India. Due to this vast water mass, during the everywhere you can find about the water mass, wind passes over the absorb moisture. Whatever the wind that were passed from the ocean, that absorb the more and more moisture. Just because of that moisture, they can collect from the sea. Just because of that, they bring more and more rain in India. Okay. During the winter, high pressure develops to the north of Himalaya. During the winter time, high pressure was felt into the north of Himalaya. We are not talking about the entire Himalaya. We are talking about the only north Himalaya. Cold and dry winds from this region blow towards the oceanic area where the low pressure is created. During the summer, low pressure developed due to the high temperature over the Central Asia and Indian landmass. So this is the reason why some area felt summer, some area felt winter. At the time, this high pressure preserved the Indian Ocean in south. So winds tend to blow from the light pressure over Indian Ocean to low pressure into the north area. These winds are known as the southwest monsoon wind. Which winds are known as the southwest monsoon wind? For that particular answer, you have to write about these two lines. They contain the moisture and bring a rain in India. Okay, southwest monsoon wind contain moisture just because they were passing throughout this kind of the region. That's why they were known as the southwest monsoon wind. Sometimes a peculiar phenomena takes place over the place located from the India, which create the temporary changes in a long term climate pattern. Phenomena take jet stream, western disturbance, El Nino, ITCZ have affected the Indian weather to great extent. However, the monsoon climatic conditions and characteristic of the climate remain unaffected. That all the things are not affected by the climatic condition of the India. Now our new topic of the discussion is about seasons of India. How many seasons, main seasons are there? Cold season, hot season and rainy season. These are the three seasons of India, mainly three seasons of India, but inspired there that another seasons also are there in India. What are they? Weather in our country remains almost the same for every 2 months. Weather condition become as same for every 2 months. These 2 months are duration is called season. 2 months duration is called seasons. As per the tradition, there are 6 seasons. See, according to the tradition, how many seasons are there in India? So your answer is, according to the tradition, there are 6 seasons in India. Which they are? According to the tradition, there are 6 seasons: Hemant, Sisir, Vasant, Grishma, Varsha and Sharad. These are the 6 seasons in India according to the tradition. I repeat it again: Hemant, Sisir, Vasant, Grishma, Varsha and Sharad. These are the 6 tradition season in India. There is hardly any noticeable difference in the weather between two successive seasons. You can't find out the weatheric difference between the two seasons of India. So that these seasons are take simultaneously, they would be only 3 seasons that we know: cold season, hot season and rainy season. Changes the season are experienced drastically in India. Cold weather starts with the beginning of the winter. Cold weather will start from the beginning of the winter and temperature gradually, means slowly, increased during the summer season. With the onset of the monsoon, it the time for the moisture and that brings the rain. Now Indian Meteorological Department of Government of India, where is it is situated? It is situated into the New Delhi. So that is divided the climate of India into 4 seasons. According to the Meteorological Department, that is Government of India at Delhi, was divided the climate of India in how many season? In 4 season. Which they are? Number 1, cold weather season, that is called winter. Hot weather season, that is called summer. Advancing monsoon, that is called rainy season, and receiving monsoon season, that is called about October to November. So winter is from December to February, summer is from March to May, rainy season is to June to September, and returning monsoon season is from October to November. So this is the climatic condition of India. Now this is the season of India. This is the season cycle that you have to draw in your notebook. Okay, you can see cycle of the season, that is called cycle of the season. Here you can see cycle of the season. There are 3 main season: monsoon, winter and summer. According to the tradition, there are 6 seasons: Shishir, Vasant, Grishma, Varsha and Sharad and Hemant. Okay, and after that you can find out that according to the Hindu calendar, there are how many months? Kartak, Makshar, Posh, Maha, Phagan, Chaitra, Vaishak, Jet, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadarvo and Aso. Okay, there are the 12 months according to the Indian tradition. And according to the English calendar, January to December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So the time period is about October and November is considering as a retreating season. The time period about the June, July, August and September is called rainy season. The time period is about the March, April and May is considered as a hot or summer season. And the time period of the December and January is about the cold season. So this cycle of season you have to draw in your notebook, and remember that while the season of India will ask in the exam, you have to write down the answer of the climatic condition seasons of India with this cycle, season of cycle, so you will get the proper marks for that answer. Friends, till here we stopped our explanation about the climate. I hope you guys can understand whatever I explain in this lesson related to this video. Whatever the question answers were there, that I will send you through the PDF that you have to write down in your notebook. That is compulsory. I will check it anytime. Okay, remaining part of the lesson that we will discuss in video number 2. Okay, that will be published later. Okay friends, bye, take care.